Bunch of Pokemon cards. These are awesome.
So cute. Someone called him a baby.
He's like, give me that back. It's a TO jersey. Good morning.
Morning.
How are you guys doing today? It's
He just got me up.
Oh, gotcha.
Get out here now.
You need your coffee now.
Yeah.
It's hopefully you guys, hope it doesn't rain on you guys today.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah, we don't need that.
Yeah.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. Doing good. How much you have in your frying pan?
I think they're expensive, I know that.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
it needs a good oiling.
Yeah, it does. $5 for it?
$5, you got it.
All right. Why not? It's a huge learning curve with, because you gotta learn it. You gotta.
Never really hit him over the head with it.
You know? Yeah. Would you charge me more if you did?
Yeah, if I hit him over the head, it'd be at least 25.
At least 25 is it's called what we call the attitude adjuster, right?
Uh-huh.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
You bet.
All right. Well, good luck on your guys' sale.
You too. Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning. I think I'm not doing a diet piece for the riding cancer.
Bunch of Pokemon cards.
I don't know, $2 just to get them out of my house and off my floor. And the kids aren't here right now. Put them in your pocket.
Yeah, I'll give you $2 for it. Is it $2 or?
Sure.
Okay.
Just stick them in your pocket before they come.
Okay. Did you guys have any video game stuff?
No, not right now.
I saw. Well, that's why I saw that.
Yeah,
so.
I know. He just has that one piece that he wants to get rid of.
Okay. $2.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good morning. How much you have for the shirt?
$1.
$1? I'll take it.
Such a cool shirt.
It is really cool, actually. What size is it? It's my size.
It's a little too snug on me anymore.
That's cool.
Yeah, I love that shirt.
Oh, it's a beautiful shirt.
And of course, it's real business.
$1.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. You guys have a good day. Good morning.
Morning.
How are you guys doing today? Doing good.
Don't worry. They'll acknowledge you.
Oh my gosh, the elf set.
Maybe. He's so cute. Someone called him a baby.
That's cool. How much is that?
$1.
$1? Oh, I have to buy it.
Okay.
Good change for 5? Well, actually, what is this?
Yes. Also $1.
Oh, all right. Well, it's my favorite movie of all time.
Is it really?
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
You serious, Clark?
My cousins will watch it for the month of December.
The whole
every
month?
single day.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
Good morning. How much is that?
Yeah, that's the thing in the front there.
Yes, sir. There's no price on it. And you got a cool little collection of stuff. These are awesome. Complete set 1977. Not something you normally see.
I think I was asking 40, but you can have it for 20.
20?
It's a Hallmark thing.
Hallmark's.
Collectible.
Okay.
30 pounds each.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of stuff. I've never seen those before. Hey, what you
Rare.
want on that?
You have to ask my brother with the
Okay.
red shirt and the black hat.
Alright.
He'll give you a good price.
She said 20 bucks for this. These pieces are attached to this, right? So if I lift it up, it's not gonna slide off.
Right. Everything's there.
Right. Give me 20 bucks for it.
Okay. Protect it.
20 bucks.
All right.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. You're like the only one in your development that's set up.
There's one more I thought right down there.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was surprised nobody. I think because of last week.
Last weekend, yeah. That
It rained last night,
Yeah.
and they all thought, "No, I'm not going to deal with that."
friendly?
Yes.
Oh. Oh. Hi.
You pet her. You're her new best friend. She loves you forever now. Come on, bud. Let's go for a walk.
Unicorns and versus llamas. It's interesting. How much is that?
$2.
$2.
Granddaughter,
Uh-huh.
and she's 15, and she's like, "I don't do unicorns, Grandpa. Not
Okay.
even a little bit."
No. Wishful thinking.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello, Mercedes. A little Mercedes. Starting off with good taste, right? Where's lamp? Yeah. $5?
You guys want some lemonade?
Yeah. Just one. Just one cup.
Thank you.
Just give me the 4 and you guys keep the other 2 for
Okay.
keep the other $2 as a tip. Yeah, absolutely.
What do we say? Thank you.
Thank you guys. You have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Do you guys How much are your purses?
The big ones are 30 and then the little ones are $2.
Like what the oh those are $2? There you go. Thank you. That's good. How are you guys today? Probably last year. Yeah, probably last year. I'm doing good.
Only really good hats. There's a couple old Hard Rocks in there.
They're all good.
And there's
They're
a
all-
tissue, and there's one. There was I guess our other lady grabbed it. There was a really nice Bucks hat, but I think she took
Oh, okay.
it. So. She took it. This is the only, yeah, this is the only like collectible clothes are on the rack.
That's cool. It's a TO jersey.
Yeah.
I hate the Cowboys, but
I know.
I'm an Eagles fan.
You can spite them by making money.
Yeah, there we go. Teach them a lesson. It's an old Reebok. That's cool.
He's the neighborhood badass cat.
That's
Ev- Every neighborhood has one.
He
the
bullies,
Packers jersey's really nice. It
bullies
looks like it's
everybody.
brand new. Here, put some stuff on here if you want on the chair
Okay.
so you don't have to hold it. That looks like it's never even worn.
Yeah, it's
At
nice.
Masters, isn't that nice?
Yeah.
Man, did I try that on?
Do you want?
Fit you, Dave, babe.
He's like, give me that back.
You have that other Masters one.
There we go.
What you doing, Leo? You running from that cat?
Wanna go in? Wanna go to my
Yeah,
house?
don't let him in. There's nobody there watching.
That's really cool. That's old. We got that when we went over to Daytona.
How old is that?
Oh, it's got to be before I married you.
Oh, that's old.
1990 something, because you can.
Yeah,
it's
the
a
single stitch. Yeah, I saw
yeah.
the single stitch.
98.
So this is I went to Daytona before I met you, so 90 something. I moved in here in 93. I met him in 98. Do the math. Somewhere in those years.
Oh, that's cool.
Isn't that neat?
Yeah,
They
it's
don't make that anymore. That
it's-
salsa is
yeah.
discontinued.
It's funny is like when you find like these old like jean jackets,
Yeah.
like they're like the weird stuff you usually find on them.
Yeah, I think it looked like it was maybe I don't even know.
Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. This is cool.
Yeah, that is cool.
Oh man, I gotta.
Here, just let him down.
Yeah,
I don't have a whole lot of concert pieces this year.
I should just roll the whole.
This is a Leonard Skinner. This is a Van Halen. This is cool if you're reselling. That's from like that. My sons wore that. That's from the 90s.
Yeah.
If you look at the back, it's got the huge swoosh on the back. They don't make them like that
Yeah.
anymore.
No, I saw it.
And
It's cool.
This one is
Oh,
something
it
for a
has.
friend of mine.
Uh-huh.
It's still got the tags on it. It's
Oh.
from 1999, but
That's-
she wants 10 for it, so
Okay.
that's up to you. So, and then I don't have a lot of other Harley stuff this year. Hey baby, what's up? My friend works for $1 million estate sale company.
Oh.
And he doesn't like what he calls the littles. He doesn't like the shoes, he doesn't like the clothes, so she brings me a lot of her stuff and I sell it for him and she splits the money with me.
It's good though.
So, yeah, it is. He deals in like multi-million-dollar estates and he only likes the art, the antiques, the furniture, things like that. So he hates all this, well, the littles.
Yeah, no, I get it. Like, Hollister jacket. Yeah, I remember I think I bought like purses and like a bunch of stuff.
Yeah,
from
you did.
I
I
think
don't think it was last year. It might have been the year before.
maybe the year before.
Yeah.
I don't know. Should I buy this one?
It's really cool.
It's cool. But for $10, I don't know.
I'll give it to you for 8 since you're buying everything else.
All right.
I'll make you.
All right.
You know.
Yeah,
I
yeah, no.
cut
You,
deal,
you,
so
yeah, you.
I cut you a deal.
As you told me last time, just make a pile,
Just make a pile.
and I will. And you're like, you'll make me a deal. Let's see what else we got here.
That one's cool. It's got the pinup girl
Yeah.
on it. I've never seen one like that one before.
2011.
Yeah, it's not vintage.
Yeah.
She brought me some vintage ones last year, and I didn't know they were really valuable. They were called 3D.
Mm-hmm.
On
Yeah,
the
yeah,
front
yeah.
It says 3D, and apparently they sell for huge money. I had no clue.
A 3D emblem.
Yeah, 3D
Yep.
emblem. Yep.
Yep.
Yep. Where's my coffee? I need coffee.
Get your coffee. Oh.
I'm gonna get my coffee.
Makeup bag, brand new.
No, this was very last minute this year. We have enough bourbon that we don't need, we have no business even buying bourbon at this point. We're
And
gonna
I'll be honest, some of it, like, there's a lot of hype on it, and some of it, like,
Yeah.
I didn't really care for it. So I'm like, all right, well, I didn't like that batch. I'll just see if I can get rid of it.
Yeah, I know that. Got these two. Got that one.
Red Hardy's here. They're
I know.
Very cool.
I'm getting that too.
Oh, the pins, yeah. Okay.
Any more Disney stuff?
I don't. This is vintage tablecloth. That's basically about the last thing I have.
Yeah.
Our kids are older now, so I don't have a lot of. I don't have a lot of little kid stuff anymore. So, good morning. How are you today?
How you doing?
I'm very well, thank you. Yeah, like I said, this was very thrown together this year.
Yeah.
Up until 2 weeks ago, I told him I wasn't doing it.
And then you get the itch, you get the bug. You're like, all right, no, I got it. You got the itch.
I did not
Pay
get
for
the
my
itch.
bourbon.
Yeah.
No.
Is there anything good in the bins over here?
There's a couple. Yeah, there are a couple things. Like
Oh,
that's
yeah,
a
Rockfish.
Rockfish. Oh, you know what? Yeah. So there's a bunch of vintage sports.
Garfield.
Boston. There's a bunch of Florida State stuff that's vintage. That's single stitch. I forgot
Okay.
about that stuff.
Florida State. Country 500. Oh. Oh, there we go. All right.
All right, it's at 83. How about $70?
$70. Oh, I think I'm gonna get that pin too.
Oh, just take it.
Okay,
Put it in your pocket.
I appreciate that. Thank you so
What
much.
did I say?
70, ma'am.
All right, let me see.
Appreciate it.
Yep. Have a great day. Good luck today.
Thank you.
See you next year.
Yeah, man. See ya.
All right, let's talk about this last yard sale. Now, as you can tell by our dialogue, I've been there once in the past. I think it was 2 years ago. I missed the previous year. She has a yard sale once a year, and she has a friend that has an estate company, and they give her all these clothes. She puts them out, and she puts out tons of vintage clothing, and she usually lists it between $2 and $5 for everything. Last time I was there, I made a giant pile. Probably spent like $100-something with her. I think I spent like $70 this time. But we're gonna do really well. We should make a couple $100 on all those clothing. A couple of those pieces of clothing, like the Boston sweatshirt, I couldn't really find any comps on. I couldn't find any comps on that Michigan sweatshirt or that salsa jacket, but really cool pieces. We should do really well on this lot, so I'm super pumped about it. And every year she gets cleared out right away. I really enjoy buying vintage clothes. I just don't really like listing them, but I don't know what it is. Something about finding those old clothes just takes me back to the 90s. Speaking about community sales, this Saturday, April 6th, if you guys are around the Tampa Bay area, my community is doing a massive yard sale. I'm gonna blow stuff out. It's Operation CSO. We're here to clear shit out. And so if you're around the area, send me a private message. My email address and my Instagram is listed down below here. Hit me up and I'll send you over the address where you guys can come out. And we're gonna be blowing out tons of stuff. Great deals. Resellers welcome. I'm gonna blow out tons of merchandise. We need to make room. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you guys like and subscribe. Until next time, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.